Hi, in this video, we will talk about the refer a friend post creation. So, first, let's talk about what this means. You create a refer a friend post to introduce two people from your connections if you think they can benefit from each other. So, let's say your friend Himanshu is looking for a steel manufacturer, and Mayank from your network is a steel manufacturer. Now, you can create a refer a friend post and introduce the two of them. Now let's see how to create this post. So first you go to your home screen and in the bottom bar, click on the plus icon, select refer a friend, and under the buyer section, you can search and select Himanshu since he is looking for a steel manufacturer. You can add a note for him, you can leave a message for Himanshu and move on to the seller. Now click on select seller. Now similarly search for Mayank. Now Mayank has a business on CURD which is called DK Steel. So you can also select Mayank's business here since they are into steel manufacturing. So you select them and you can leave a note for them, leave a message for the seller here. And once you've done this, if you wish to schedule this post for a later date, you can select this schedule for later and select that appropriate date, time, and time zone and click on done. Now, since we have filled all the details here, we can click on refer to post and to connect both of them. Now, let's consider another situation where the buyer or the seller or both are not on the app. Now, in this case, when you search for the buyer or seller, so let's go to the seller section and I search for, let's say, Jindal. And if I can't find anything, we see an option to invite them to the app. So click on refer, and over here you can see the option to fill up a form, fill out the details, and notification will be sent to the business and individual, notifying them about this referral. So the easiest option is to sync contacts. So just click on add sync contact and add your connections you wish to refer. So we will reach out to them for you. So once you're done with this, let's go back. So since we already have a seller and buyer in place, we can click on refer and we have successfully posted a refer a friend post. Now you can view this post by going to the referral section of your home screen and clicking on view all. So when you click on view all and go to the activity status and go to created option. So this is where you find all your created posts.